Hey guys, it's Coda and
Des.
And today we are back with another
food review. We have Freddy's.
And first, let me show y'all. I just got like the original double cheeseburger. But I got cheese curds for my sides and I got a large. Look at this. Look how many are in there. They look so good. They are. We tried one already.
I got the
10 out of 10.
steak grilled cheese, steak bacon grilled cheese, and then the onion rings. Those cheese curds were good. I just bit into an onion ring. The onion ring is really good.
This is my burger, the double cheese, or the original. Burger, 10 out of 10 as well. Could be just because I've been craving Freddy's lately, but it's good. Do you want your water?
These onion rings are light and crispy. With a thin, but they're good. Very good. Very good.
I got me a lemonade. Des got water. Props to him. He's better than me.
We had me a sauce.
Which one?
Spicy. Onion rings. They're thin, lightly breaded, but really good and crispy. So I'm gonna have to give those a 6 out of 10.
Okay, 6 out of 10 onion rings.
Let's get into this.
My food's a 10 out of 10.
Steak bacon grilled cheese.
Thank you, Freddy's.
Oh no! I dropped bacon on the floor.
Oh no! Want me to grab it? Damn.
Let me get a sip of that water. Have them cheese curds.
They're curding. They're cheese curding.
Freddy's.
Go get you some.
That's some good seasoned steak. Some good quality cheese. Mayo.
See, I don't like mustard on my burgers, so I get mayo on my burgers. Cheese, mayo, and pickles.
Mayo and the grilled cheese. That's how it go. This grilled cheese is getting a 8 out of 10.
Is it? Man, I bet it is. That thing looks good. Look at them two, twinning. Huh? You saw that?
Fuck Mustangs.
Man.
Fuck a Mustang.
We just witnessed a mini drag race.
Happy New Year, y'all. Y'all better be ringing in the new year right.
Comment down below what your New Year resolution is. And come back to this video a year later and see if you did it. My face is breaking out horribly on my time, and I'm not fucking with it. But it's okay. We rock.
Freddy's review.
If you're still here 4 minutes and 45 seconds into the video, like, comment, subscribe.
You a real one.
You a real one.
We on the road to 1K.
Bye guys. Love you.